We are never so defenseless against suffering as when we love. Unexpressed emotions will never die. They are buried alive and will come forth later in uglier ways. Most people do not really want freedom because freedom involves responsibility, and most people are frightened of responsibility. Immorality, no less than morality, has at all times found support in religion. The madman is a dreamer make. Being entirely honest with oneself is a good exercise. One day, in retrospect, the years of struggle will strike you as the most beautiful. Whoever loves becomes humble. Those who love have, so to speak, bound a part of their narcissism. In the depth of my heart, I can't help being convinced that my dear fellow men, with a few exceptions, are worthless. Everywhere I go, I find a poet has been there before me. Religion is an illusion, and it derives its strength from the fact that it falls in with our instinctual desires. Where does a thought go when it's forgotten? A woman should softer about but not weaken a man. The behavior of a human being in sexual matters is often a prototype for the whole of his other modes of action in life.